we are opening an Evolving Skies Elite Trainer box. And is this Evolving Skies Player's Guide. So it comes with all these, and it comes with a bunch of cards. And it comes with every single card in action. And so here's every single card. And you can tell it comes with the Vmax Rayquaza.
Look at some of those V cards. They're pretty sick.
Wait, V card?
Espeon, the one that we really want
Is
Rayquaza.
you want this one?
We want this altered art Rayquaza.
And we want all these rainbow whales. Okay. So look. Okay. So my dad's gonna be looking at that right now. So now we have the super awesome the trainer box. No idea how the thing opens. I think it opens like this. Yeah. Oh. And then it has like the peel. It has a lot of tweets right there. Wait. A lot of colors. Okay, here's our 8 packs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And if you get any good colors, here is a bunch of sleeves. Yeah. Brayden, this is sleeves. And it comes with a code card. A green code card. Green light. The deck of energies. Looks like. And whatever this is. And card. I forgot what the card is. Dividers, card dividers.
Card dividers.
Pokemon trading card rules. Dice. And
You're getting the case
yeah.
ready for any good card.
Ah.
Yeah. Good thinking, Brayden.
Good green.
Alright, you gotta do the trick, right?
So Tyler.
Tyler, do you know the trick?
So what you're gonna do is take 4 from the back and put them in the front. In this case, I already did that. So yeah, fire energy. Ooh.
Whoa, that Golok is pretty
You gotta
good.
get close to the concealment. Put them down in a pile like they do.
the green cards don't really matter in this set because there is.
Come down here so you can see them one at a time.
Okay. Putting all these.
Ooh, that rainbow. Oh, check out that reverse hollow ribbon badge. This is pretty sweet. All right, here comes Brayden.
Okay, no, Tyler goes next. He's just opening his back. My back for me. That's pretty Tyler. And
My favorite card in here
Green and white.
has got to be this
Tyler
one
got
right
a
here.
white and green code.
Here we go.
It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4 cards. Then put them in the front. And open that.
Put each card down here.
Like this. Now let's pull each card.
Whoa, look at that Flappy.
Is that pack ready? Okay.
That's, whoa, look at that lion. Roar.
Wait. Okay. Stop for a second. So here's every single code.
All right.
Go back.
Scroll of Fang Dragon. That's pretty cool.
300. Getting Steve ready.
C dot.
Tyler, I like your technique for pulling cards.
Dude, I see a V in the back. I see a V in the back.
Oh yeah, those
Can we have a Rayquaza altered art worth $100?
Oh, let's see if we get a reverse. We already know that is not.
There goes the Flappy reverse. Can you see that?
What is
Oh,
it?
it's an Glaceon V.
Glaceon V.
Everybody that likes
That
V,
is pretty
that is
sick.
good.
That one's a cool one.
Now it's
Oh, wait, Brayden, okay, Brayden.
Okay. Oh, that's the same as me.
A little bit slower, just
Lower. One card. And
Dude, look at that. Single strike.
And we got a more.
We got a hollow. Marsh Shadow. It looks like marshmallow.
Stop running so fast. This can be a V. Wait, give me all this.
That was pretty awesome. All right, Luca's gonna open up one next. At the end of the video, we'll look up our special cards.
Those are our two pulls. I can yeah, two good pulls.
We'll reverse.
To add to my collection. I think there's just Vmax in there because last time
Let's get all the normal cards organized.
I need one. I keep getting the full and green codes.
Put them right here. All right.
Wait, here's another one.
Right in, you gotta wait.
Okay.
All right, we got a Lorem. Pretty cool. Treasure Energy. Digging Gloves. Hippopotamus.
I can tell there's
Time
frog.
Paul.
Oh, that's the same one. Oh,
Eevee. Nice.
Eevee's a rare one. Ooh!
Let's see this reverse. Zorwork.
Did you get a full green code? This is mine.
Skip Bloom. Ooh, look at that one. That's a pretty cool trainer.
Looks like Killby. Looks like Pikachu. Oh, no, I'm not kidding. But 70. Wait, 70.
But we got a pretty
Tyler, you have to-
cool
you have to do your
Pikachu with the cheek
Tyler has to do
showing.
his pack. 70 plus. Okay, that would equal 100. No, on the pack. No, because me and Tyler are doing the last pack.
Tyler has the best technique for opening the packs. Because it makes him slow. See all the cards.
I have to sometimes do this. Let me get these cards up right.
All right.
Do you want me to do the trick or not? No.
Is that another Pikachu?
No. Right?
Up, we got a green card. All right.
Weave.
Here comes Tyler's cards right here.
Weave energy.
Put them forward. Rubber gloves. Ooh, look at this card. Look what's on this card. It looks like it's almost like a misprint. It's pretty cool.
That looks like all power card. Electric type. Looks like we have another one of these types in the back. Oh, I think it's one I have now.
Another dinosaur.
Regular Charizard.
Nice.
100 damage.
Vivas.
Satellite. And
It'd be cool. Sableye the reverse.
Okay, Tyler, here's your last pack. Yeah, here's your last pack. Oh, wait, didn't Brayden open one of these?
We have a white card. Ooh, we got a white card. That means we got some kind of
Good cat.
special card. It's gonna be a holo. It's gonna be a rainbow rare.
I really hope it's a rainbow rare or something like that.
Rayquaza rainbow rare.
Is that steel energy? Oh, that's it. Oh, 220. 30 plus 150.
Lucky Ice Pop. I want that Lucky Ice Pop. We got that same dinosaur like 3 times.
Wobble set. Wait, Dwen.
High rare. Okay. Look at this.
What color?
Scroll the Flying Dragon.
Did you get a white and green? I think you did. I really hope he gets like a white. So can you get a V? Can you get a V? There was a green card. V. Yeah. Oh, 220 again.
All right.
Martian. Like and rock. Wait, which one?